Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you our 2 solutions to being able to travel and have a garden. Here's a clip from the show. Travel is one of the main reasons that I hear from people as to why they don't garden. So there's 2 really good solutions. One is to garden with a partner and then switch off gardening and vacationing. And the other is just to get a garden sitter. So we're going to be gone for 9 days, and this tiny garden is very easy to take care of. But I will need a garden sitter for the garden while I am gone. And they can feed the cats and dogs too while I'm gone. So I'm going to mulch the garden before I leave and then show my friend how to take care of it. I will also give her the produce that she harvests. So it's important to keep harvesting so that the plants will keep producing. So here's my prep schedule. So 3 to 4 weeks out, I will find somebody that can come over every day while I'm gone to water and to harvest the garden. Now, if you can't find one person, then just get 2. If maybe they need to switch off. So check the feeding and planting schedule, and I will not need to replant the lettuce on week 29, so that makes this really easy. And I'll mulch the garden on week 28 to make the garden more resilient to being watered too lightly. You know, everyone has their idea of how much water should be applied, and sometimes if a person doesn't know a garden well, they can underwater. So the mulch can help prevent premature death by drought. I will have the frost blankets out just in case we need them, and as we get closer, I'll prepare the garden to be left with a sitter, and I'll get to see a place that I've never seen before. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 26. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.